gentlemen, my name is Keith Nicholson, and I work with the Real Estate Division of New Dawn Enterprises. I'd be remiss if I didn't offer regrets from the chair of our board, Mr. Jim Adicott, and the president of New Dawn Enterprises, Rankin McSweeney. I'm honored to accept this award on behalf of the board of directors, the members of New Dawn, the 165 or more staff, and our many volunteers. I would like to make a point. Whatever New Dawn has accomplished at this point, and what it has become and will become, is indirectly related to the support of this community and organizations that are rooted in this community, such as the Chamber of Commerce. One important thing for us at New Dawn in receiving this award from our peers is that it is not only affirming, but it is inspiring. We want you to know that being inspired is important to us. And at New Dawn, we believe we are a good company, but we are inspired to become a great company, and we can only do that with your support. Thank you very much.